Go see Shay. Hey Shay, I like your poles. It's your first day with poles.
What?
It's your first day with poles.
No? Wait, what?
First day with poles.
Yeah.
Do you think they need to be shorter?
What?
Do you want them shorter or do you like that length?
I like it.
Okay. Hey Katie, go on down the lift. I'll see you down there. You look good.
I want to stay with you. In
Okay.
But first I want to show you how good I am.
All right, you want to ski down with Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Mommy, your poles are yellow, right?
Yep, my poles are yellow. All right, let's go see Daddy.
Poles, right?
Yep, let's go see Daddy. I never thought I'd live to see the day. All of them. Whee! That was awesome skiing, buddy. You look great. I'm so proud of you.
Don't beat me, Mom.
You're gonna beat me. Where are you? Look at him. You beat me. That was awesome.
I did it all.
What are you doing, Daddy?
You guys are so good.
You guys are so good.